What's up everybody, Chlorine King here. Thanks for tuning in for another video. This install video, we're going to show you how to install a Jandy CS cartridge filter system. It's the same process whether if you're using the smallest, which is the CS100, all the way up to the largest bullet cartridge filter system, a CS250, because they use the same lower tank body. So the process is the same regardless. You got the 100, the 150, the 200, the 250. So we're looking forward to show you that and some tips along the way, so stay tuned for that. All right, so this is what we're going to replace here. We're going to replace a C1200 Hayward filter with a Jandy CS200. You can see based on the pool, I mean, it's a decent sized pool. So why are we upgrading the size of the filter? So what we're going to do is have Ian explain why we're going to take that C1200 and upgrade it with a larger filter. So Ian, why do we want to upgrade it?
So today we're upgrading the size of this filter because A, it's a little bit undersized for the pool in general, but also with the other equipment that we're going to have on this pool, it's going to be undersized and restrict the flow rate through all of these other pieces of equipment. So we're just going to optimize all of the equipment here by upgrading the size of the filter.
So what's that mean, guys? So that means A, the pump's not going to have as much restrictions, so it's not going to have as much counteractive force on it when it's flowing water through, because the larger filter is going to allow it to flow easier. It's going to make sure all the other equipment is getting the proper flow rates, like heater, salt system, stuff like that. And then also, if you guys noticed earlier, they have an in-floor cleaner here, so a larger filter will allow that to work better, longer, versus a smaller filter getting clogged up and stopping that thing from working properly. So we're going to go ahead and get this process started. I'm going to set this thing up on a tripod and let Ian get to work, so stay tuned.
Yes.
Alright guys, so we are done with the install. You can see we got this done and complete, super efficient. We left plenty of room for future devices. The client does want to put in a salt system and a heat pump down the road, so we left room for that, but you can just see a lot more efficient. We did right here at this return valve, we did get rid of that Street 90. You'll learn that our company hates Street 90s when we're installing things. So alright guys, so there you go. That is how you install a Jandy CS cartridge filter. So hopefully you guys liked that video. Stay tuned for more videos. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next video. Have a great day.